Commander morning, friends, patriot, comrades. Today sila njengoba nibona le building, i-building le ye-bargaining council. Silana to attend i-CCMA case of assault, ne case ye-attempted murder eyenzeka kwa-Forchi kwa-Legend Logistics. Sitheke naba abasebenzi ebekade size ngabo la namhlanje. Labasebenzi baxoshwa, bakidnapwa, baphucwa amafoni, and sithe ubulungiswa eMpumalanga. We cannot stand for exploitation nama unfair labor practice eMpumalanga. For whoever is ready to exploit abantu abamnyama or to exploit ama workers, silapho for you. We are here to say no one will exploit abasebenzi. Nalaba basasele, we are representing them, and the case yabo will be on very soon, because siya understand ukuthi nabo eventually kuyaqhutshekwa nje kancane, little by little they are getting rid of the workers okuyibona abazosebenzela abantwana babo. So today besino comrade Allen Umapoloba, our labor specialist obezomela abasebenzi. We were here with the comrade professionals, MK professionals, ubela ezo support ama comrade. Sonke silasi united in this struggle. We are saying phezulu nge-MK, phezulu mandla awethu amandla kuyeza ku-action. Sizonitshela ukuthi uForchi ngoMay yini esifuna ukuyenza. Wonke umuntu waseMpumalanga akabe ready, nizozwa ukuthi sifuna ukwenzani. Sisazokhuluma yithina i-MK Labor Desk National, i-provincial detachment, bese kuba i-MK professionals coming together in solidarity behind abasebenzi, sikwazi ukuqhuba i-revolution. Abasebenzi bonke bakwa logistics sifuna wonke, even ama organizations adila nabasebenzi, ngisho ama unions, noma bekuthiwa you are not under MK. If you feel ukuthi abasebenzi they are under oppression because of our employers, please show up on that day. But ngoba asikakaxoxi sizobonana nalo amandla awethu.